Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie from At Home with Cass. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair using my HOT TOOLS Blowout Styler. If you guys are interested in knowing how this works and how I straighten my long curly hair, please make sure to stick around. I'm also going to try to give you guys some tips and recommendations, so make sure you stick around to the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Your support means a lot to my family and I. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified of my future uploads. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, let's get started, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair. You will need a comb, and I used 4 clips. I do like doing this at the beginning as opposed to doing it throughout the blowout because it will save me time. Also, my hair won't get tangled up and everything is just neat and tidy. Just to give you a time and perspective, this whole clip was about 40 minutes before I cut it down. So it took me 40 minutes from the time that I started, which is now, until the end. I did part it and I did blow my hair out. And also I had about 3 interruptions from my children. So I just wanted to give you guys that perspective before we continue. Whenever you detangle your hair, it's better to start at the bottom and work your way up. That way you don't do too much damage to it. You will see me pat my hair with some water right here because I feel like the ends were a little bit too dry. Before you even attempt to do this, guys, I feel like you should get one of these heat resistant gloves, just like the curling wands, I'm sorry. It's good to use one of these gloves when you're touching your hair because it's going to be really hot. This is what the tool looks like close up. I ended up getting this one and not the Revlon one, although I hear they're both very similar. And these are the settings: off, cool, low, and high. Just with any blowout, you want to start at the roots and work your way outward. Okay, let's be honest, I am not a professional at straightening my hair by any means. I barely straighten my hair. I probably do it maybe twice a month. That's why I got this tool, because I needed something that I could use and it would be easy. I do not have experience with blowing my own hair out with a traditional blow dryer, so that's why I got this. Usually when I did straighten my hair in the past, I would usually do a roller set. Then I would straighten it with my flat iron, and then I would curl it at the bottom with my curling iron. This right here eliminates a lot of the time, because going under the hair dryer with a roller set for me would be like an hour. And like I said before, this took me, without the interruptions, probably like 25 to 30 minutes. You guys can see how shiny my hair looks, and it's almost as if I used a traditional blow dryer. I'm gonna repeat this process until I'm done. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the time lapse, so I'll catch you guys at the end. Like I told you guys before, I barely ever straighten my hair, but I will admit by this time my arms were hurting a little bit. I can't stress enough the importance of getting one of those heat resistant gloves. I'm not gonna lie to you and say that this is a perfect tool that's gonna give you a perfect blowout, but for me it works. And if I wanted to take it a step further, I could go in with my flat iron and just get my roots really good, and I can also curl my hair at the end. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. One thing I will say before I go is that this Maui Moisture Weightless Oil Mist did make my hair a little bit oily. So next time I will not use as much of this as I did. I got this from Walmart and it smells really good. I really like it. It's, you know, silicone free, coconut milk. So this is fine. I just put too much of it in my hair. I really like the way the tool straightened my hair in a fraction of the time. So I definitely do recommend this product. I will link it below. I got it from Amazon along with the gloves. So I'll link both of those below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I hope that it's helpful for you. And if you have any questions, leave them below or any comments. I'll get to them as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.